Hello, friends! Today we are going to learn about personal pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Let's begin. When we talk about ourselves, we use I. For example, I am happy. When we talk to another person, we say you. For example, you are my friend. When we talk about a boy, we use he. For example, he has a car. When we talk about a girl, we use she. For example, she has a doll. When we talk about an animal or a thing, we use it. For example, it is a puppy. When we talk about ourselves with others, we say we. For example, we are friends. When we talk about many people, we use they. For example, they are playing football. Let's remember. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These are personal pronouns. Great job, friends. Now you know personal pronouns. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. See you next time.